Take a look at this chart. This is the dollar index on the weekly view. Just in case you are not seeing it clearly, let's make it bold. This is the dollar index on weekly view. And I think your eyes should be looking at this region. For the past 4 weeks, there has been messy price action. Like, really, this is what the UX index is telling us currently about USD in the market. And just in case you don't know, if you are new to Forex, the USD pair and the USD as a whole is the most important pair in the entire Forex market. I'm a Forex trader. The name is Nicholas, and I am a swing trader. I work a 9-to-5 job, and it is not easy to keep it running on this place. But nevertheless, I'm trying my best to make daily videos, my view, commentaries on the market, and everything in between, including my trades and journal. So first and foremost, I want you to look at this. The dollar index is basically the one thing that tells us what is happening with the dollar in every ramification. And looking at this right now, the past 4 weeks has been filled with up, down, but within a very collected range mostly, which is this. And if you should scroll into lower time frame, you would observe this. Now, this looks like a good move to an untrained eyes in trading, but the problem is this: between here and here, we do not know what happened much. I mean, it's weekend break, it happens a lot, but between here and this point, a lot of demand and supply traders obviously took a sell right here at this point. But the thing is, price never made it to this point unless you're trading on the daily time frame. This is your entirety of purview for a sell premise. Basically, this is what you'll be looking at. But again, as a supply and demand trader, using this little bit of push tells you that you will expect price to come up, come in here, and come down a little bit. But it came down, and look at this. I mean, just take a look at that line. I want you to actually see it clearly. So I want you to look at this line right here. Does this look like a price action that any experienced trader actually wants to play with? No, especially a higher time frame trader. I am a swing trader, and this is telling me that everything about the USD pair is most likely going to be BS. But don't take my words for it. Let's head straight in and see if it is true. And it is very simple. AUD USD. We can see 4 weeks of what? Consolidation. Euro USD. What are we seeing? Same 4 weeks of consolidation. USD GPB. This is the only market that seems to have moved reasonably, but 3 weeks of consolidation. New Zealand USD. What do we have? 4 weeks of self-consolidation. USD CAD. This is even worse. Like, this is even worse. This is not even giving us a clear move in any direction for over how many weeks? This is how many candles right here, people? Let's count. 7 weeks, 7 candles of vehement up and down that doesn't really make any sense of direction. Swiss franc on the weekly, there it is, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see 5 weeks of consolidation. USD JPY on the weekly. This is the only pair that has given us useful move for the past 2 weeks. The rest of them were very, very small. And this will be thanks to Japan, not even the USD. So again, why do I say the USD pair are not tradable currently? It is simple. Avoid the USD pair if you want to trade on the higher time frame. Just walk away. For lower time frame traders, it is pretty easy. But you can look at my chart right here, and all you see is I stop at 1 hour. And even as a 1 hour trader, we need direction. and direction is gotten from where? Daily, weekly, monthly. If I don't find directions here, I can't trade. I mean, this entirety of move is not reasonable to me. I know the market is going to come down somewhere within this point. That is certain. But after this point, are we going up or are we going down? Well, I expect upwards movements. But then again, my entire strategy is screaming uncertainty. Like a huge amount of uncertainty. There is no clear push from the dollar that it wants to move in any direction currently. Right here, similar things. Right here, similar things. I'm seeing highs and lows look like they are all just being held for now. So I hope you see all of this, but maybe you still think this is just ranting about the chart. So let's head into something you should know of. It's called the economic calendar, and we are going to just wait for the USD, and we're going to play it for the last 1 month. All here it is beautiful. You can see mixture of grains, red. The data here is just saying we're moving up, we're coming down, we're going up, we're coming down, we're going up, we're coming down. It is outright confusing. But best of all, let us check a currency strength meter, right? Currency strength meter, put it up weekly, and let's look at the US dollar. You see how not so certain it is moving at the end of this point. This is all the way in January. You can see how not so certain the USD is. It's going down, but going down quite slowly as compared to Japanese yen. This guy is clearly telling us bear. I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say, but the USD pairs currently are not markets you should really put yourself into. You want to trade the cross pair, trade every other minor, but the majors, which is the USD pair, my advice is to avoid it. But then again, I'm just one trader who's looking at the market through his own lens. You might be trading through a different lens, and you might be trading on the lower time frame. You are seeing a lot of opportunities. Feel free to drop a comment below. Tell me if you find it easy to trade in this kind of market, because this is literally consolidation as far as we the higher time frame traders are concerned. But if you are finding an opportunity, drop a comment below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you all on another one.